robots are no longer science fiction. They are real. They are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Robots are being used in various industries. These include manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. The growth of robotics is driven by several factors. Advancements in artificial intelligence are a major factor. The demand for automation is also driving this growth. As robots become more capable, they are poised to transform the way we live and work. Imagine controlling a robot with your mind. That future is closer than you might think. Brain-computer interfaces make this possible. BCIs establish a direct communication pathway between the human brain and external devices, like robots. AI empowers robots to understand and respond to human instructions. BCIs allow humans to control these robots with their thoughts. This combination of AI and BCIs is revolutionizing human-robot interaction. It paves the way for more intuitive and seamless collaboration. Human-robot collaboration is transforming industries. Robots can perform tasks that are dangerous or repetitive. This frees up humans to focus on more complex tasks. In manufacturing, robots and humans are working side by side. They are improving efficiency and productivity. In healthcare, robots are assisting surgeons. They perform delicate procedures with precision. This collaboration enhances safety and improves patient outcomes. Section 4. Beyond Human Limits, Enhanced Autonomy and Robot Rehabilitation. In this segment, we delve into the groundbreaking advancements that are pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. AI is making robots more autonomous, allowing them to perform complex tasks with minimal human oversight. This means robots can operate with less human intervention, making them more efficient and reliable in various settings. This is crucial for tasks that are dangerous or difficult for humans to perform, such as exploring hazardous environments or performing intricate surgeries. Robots can go where humans cannot, ensuring safety and precision. BCI-controlled robots offer new possibilities in healthcare, revolutionizing the way we approach medical treatments and patient care. They can help individuals with disabilities regain mobility, providing them with newfound independence and improving their quality of life. Robotic limbs can be controlled by the user's thoughts, thanks to advanced brain-computer interface technology. This allows for more natural and intuitive movement. This technology is empowering people to overcome physical limitations, enabling them to lead more active and fulfilling lives. The future of robotics holds immense potential for enhancing human capabilities and transforming our world.